Zen's top 12 teas explained in this video. This video is actually for people looking to join the Zen's Tea House team. It's not uncommon for people to come in and ask, what are your favorite teas? And what they're really asking is, let me know what tea I should buy. Well, we start off with the golden milk. Golden milk, it's turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. There's no caffeine. It doesn't have any real tea. Tea is the plant Camellia sinensis. It actually has roots. And there's tons of health benefits. Turmeric has an ingredient called curcumin, and it's used to help with inflammation, arthritis. People love golden milk because it tastes like a turmeric horchata. That's how we mix it together with almond milk. Usually we use coconut, soy, oat, almond. You can use any milk or milk alternative. And here at the cafe, we actually have a turmeric chai. It's like a dirty chai tea where we add golden milk to our coffee. Tea number 2 is our matcha. We have matcha with collagen and pure organic Japanese matcha. These matcha teas are what people like to mix into a latte. Matcha is very popular. It's the purest form of green tea. This one little teaspoon can produce up to 10 times the amount of caffeine than a regular green tea. Now, the caffeine from the tea leaf is different from caffeine from the coffee bean, energy drinks. It's more alkaline. Tea is an alkaline, high in antioxidants, while coffee is more acidic. People love matcha because it gives a nice, good boost of energy, clean, no crash, and it even has some metabolism boosting benefits. Number 3 is our Holy Detox. It's an herbal spearmint tea. There is no caffeine. It's a clarifying. It has holy basil, spearmint, linden blossoms, lemon myrtle, and rose hips. We blend it in-house. People love this tea because it's very clarifying. If you're feeling lethargic, it gives you energy. If you're feeling anxious, it helps you to relax. We even have a video talking about Holy Detox being used to help with PTSD. Yes, Holy Detox, its main ingredient is Tulsi. It's an adaptogenic rooted in Ayurveda medicine. Number 4, our skinny tea, peach oolong tea. Help boost the metabolism for up to 2 hours. Take a look at our reviews. A lot of people love the peach oolong tea, and it's a really easy tea to sell. It has about 60 to 80 milligrams of caffeine. The average cup of coffee is between 90 to 120 milligrams, but it's not the same caffeine energy that you might find in a regular cup of coffee. The oolong tea is actually a cross between a green tea and a black tea. It's the amount of time it's been oxidized, so sometimes you have a little more greener, a little more blacker. Zen's peach oolong tea is a darker oolong tea, so you get more of those metabolism boosting properties, that caffeine boost, and of course, skiing in the midsection. That's what people love about it. Natural peach flavoring. Oh, and the leaves are from Taiwan. Now, our immunity elixir. Yes, it has echinacea, astragalus root, licorice root. I gotta read this off. It's been a while. Olive leaf, rose hips, and cinnamon. Immunity elixir is really important because people are looking for natural ways to replace what's in their medicine cabinet. Yes, botanical medicines. And the immunity elixir is a great tea. You can mix it with other tea blends, and it's safe for children. The most popular child-friendly tea is our Hawaiian fruit. It has pineapple, peach, papaya, apricot, mango, hibiscus, passion flower as a base. It is a fruity tea. You get that nice hibiscus flavor, very refreshing, no caffeine. When people are asking, I want a fruity tea, well, we introduce the Hawaiian fruit. Now, there's no added sugar. None of these teas have any added sugars. It's all natural, organic ingredients. 7 tea pomegranate, organic black tea from Nilgiris, and it's nice energy boosting tea. These are our top 12 teas. Now we go to Dream of Flowers, a relaxing bedtime tea. It has chamomile, lavender, rose petals, and tulsi. We blend it in-house. A lot of people use it to help relax. It is not something to make them knock out. It's more to help them to calm down. These are relaxing, sedative herbs. They are not teas and herbs that are going to put you straight out. We have a tea like that. It's called our Tranquility Blend, and that has kava kava. So if people are looking for something really hard, we introduce them to Dream of Flowers, and if that doesn't work, then guess what? Every one of these teas comes with a 100% guaranteed satisfaction rate. So if they don't like it, guess what? We'll replace it for free at no cost. Now, our gout be gone. uric acid buildup. People who have a very greasy food diet, it's not just for people who eat a lot of meat. You can be a pescatarian, a vegetarian, and those oils and those absorbic fats will have a uric acid buildup in your body and starts producing pain. That's called gout. It has celery seed, nettle, and uva ursi. It tastes very earthy. It tastes like medicine. They know it works. When you get a flare-up, drink it. Or you can be more on the preventative side and just drink 1 cup a day every day and see your body resist and fight gout naturally. Congest less. It's an expectorant. It has hyssop, holy basil, and ginger. It helps with respiratory cleansing, mucus. There is no caffeine in it. Ginger has a nice little kick to it, and a lot of people like Congest less because if they have any respiratory issues, coughing, they'll take that. Even with asthma, they'll take that just to help with their sinus pressure. Congest less. Our organic pu'er. Pu'er is a different type of tea. It's not exactly a black tea. It's not exactly a green tea. It's a fermented underground green tea, also referred to as a red tea, and people use it to help balance cholesterol. It kind of tastes like fishy tea, but there's different ages. Our tea pu'er is between 12 to 15 years old of pu'er tea. It is organic. It is Chinese, and for people who like tea, pu'er is a top choice. So that we have our Dr. Jen's blend. Now this Dr. Jen's blend, it has dandelion root, helps to get rid of water rate, red clover blossoms, hormonal imbalance. It has nettle, rose hips, hibiscus flower. No added flavoring anymore. It was designed by Dr. Jennifer Poliano, a chiropractor who wanted a blend for her female patients. And it was so good. We sold so much that we added it to our list. And now it's our Dr. Jen's blend. And we have a few other blends that people make, but that one, hot flashes, post-menopause syndrome, PMS, and cramps. You're getting a flare-up because of hormonal imbalance. Dr. Jen's blend is a go-to. Now the last one, it's a Zen's favorite, largely because it's named after my old business partner, Zeke. Zeke was the herbalist who helped me build the Zen's Tea House company, and I'm a big fan of not changing history. So I decided to keep the name because he's the one who blended it. And it has burdock root, red clover blossoms, dandelion root. These are herbs that are used to help get rid of water weight. Also for cleansing the kidneys, the liver, and the blood. Red clover blossom is a blood cleanser, helps with fluid. And it has some spearmint. Those strong herbs are pretty tough. Oh, and it also has milk thistle. You can look up each one of those ingredients and its health benefits. If you're working for Zen's Tea House, introduce these 12 teas in order. You start with the golden milk, then you go to turmeric, then you go to holy detox, peach oolong, and you go down the list and you lead people to the best tea that is for them. Now, here's something that I want to say. If you're working on behalf of Zen's Tea House, one, very much tea. People are going to want to ask you, give me an answer to what the best tea is. And unless you actually teach them something new, they really won't implement tea in the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a lifestyle. In this world of social media and instant gratification, just give me the answer and I'll go with it. It's simple as popping a pill and going on with your life. That won't help someone. If you want to help someone, you teach them, you educate them, and you empower them so they can make their own health decisions. Tons of videos like this on YouTube, more information. And finally, Zen's Tea House has no outside position on things that are other than tea, health, and wellness. So we don't get involved in politics. We don't get involved in religion. We don't get involved in any say on that, simply because the Zen's Tea House platform has a very diverse community in religion, in political views, in gender. We're an equal opportunity employer, and I'm a firm believer, being prior military, that there is strength in diversity. And so if you're working for the Zen's Tea House tea, we introduce all these, and we have no positions on outside issues unless it has to do with tea and health and wellness. And even then, there's a very clear line listed in our employee handbook. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want more information about these teas, go to the website zenstea.com. I look forward to the interview.